Hello everyone, my name is Haobin and I am the designer for LeGrow. Over the past year, I have observed the growth of plants in large castle gardens. Despite regular maintenance, some plants still wilt due to lack of watering. This led me to think about a new project, codenamed Neighborhood Garden, where you can enjoy the garden without having to take care of it. On a single level, watering plants is already possible with just a timer and a mini pump that activates once a week. But for multi-level gardens, options are limited. To solve this problem, I designed a solution: 2 pipes for each level, one for the inlet and the other for the outlet. This design allows for efficient watering of plants in multi-level gardens. The height of the outlet needs to be controlled to avoid overflow, and the outlet should be connected to the inlet of the lower layer. The water circuit operates as follows: the pump moves water to the top layer, and it then flows down layer by layer. The bottom layer contains a water level sensing switch that shuts off the power supply when the water reaches its maximum level, and there is also an emergency drain to prevent the water from overflowing. I propose implementing this setup in a commercial mall for year-round ecological landscaping with minimal maintenance. In my next video, I will showcase the large landscape design at the mall. Stay tuned if interested. In the meantime, feel free to contact me with any questions. I am happy to share this design. Thank you for watching.